Oh, it's good. Normally there is 10 birds or 9, 12. Right now they are not much.
Yeah, they are on the trees a lot, and
No, maybe they go to other place or something like that.
there are
That's
like
why.
2 more there.
Yeah, but
3.
more you say giving the food, more they are coming more.
Okay.
How do you like it in Barcelona?
Yeah, it's good. It's very nice.
First time in Barcelona?
Yeah.
You enjoy it?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
very,
yeah.
very nice.
You need
here.
some sun, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, look at me, huh?
Very good.
I was in München
Yeah?
before,
Did you like
once,
it?
but München is expensive.
Yeah.
Expensive city, yeah.
But
I know.
very.
I was there.
Yeah, it's
I
nice.
have memory in München.
Ah,
But me, I used to live in Berlin.
in Berlin.
Ich bin Berliner.
Ah, and you live here
Aber
now?
Deutsch, das ist das schwere Sprache.
Yeah.
Ja, but ich kann
Ah, ein bisschen Deutsch?
ein bisschen Deutsch, ja.
Oh my god.
Ja, kein Bank.
Yeah.
Kein Bank.
Yeah.
Kein Bank, don't worry. How long you gonna stay?
Oh, we're leaving today. So
Ah, to Germany, back
Yeah.
to Germany?
Yeah.
That's good. They are
Hello.
mine. They are mine. Look for years.
Those are,
No, look for years.
I'm waiting for
Okay,
some
make
money.
effort.
Those are my menu.
Go take care. Thank you very much.